Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a milkshake. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of your favorite ice cream, which is the heart of any great milkshake. Next, grab about 1/2 cup of milk. This helps achieve that smooth, drinkable texture. Finally, decide on your flavorings, whether it's a classic chocolate syrup, fresh fruit, or something more adventurous. Now, let's get blending. Carefully scoop your 2 cups of ice cream into your blender. Pour in the 1/2 cup of milk right on top. If you're adding flavorings like chocolate syrup, now is the time to include them, perhaps 2 tablespoons for a rich taste. Secure the lid and blend on high for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until everything is perfectly smooth and creamy. To get that ideal milkshake consistency, you might need a small adjustment. If it's too thick, add a splash more milk and blend briefly. If it's too thin, a scoop of extra ice cream will do the trick. Once it's just right, pour your delicious creation into a tall glass. For a final touch, consider garnishing with whipped cream, sprinkles, or a classic cherry on top. Your homemade milkshake is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately to savor that perfect cold and creamy texture. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ice cream flavors, fruits, or syrups to discover your new favorite combination. There are endless possibilities for delicious variations. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. They're truly worth it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.